In this video, we'll show you how to sign out of Gmail from other devices that you no longer have access to. So for that, first open the Gmail app. Now tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here, select the account that you want to sign out from the other device. Once you have selected the account, simply tap on this manage your Google account option. Here you will need to go to security and sign in. Now in here you will need to scroll down to this your devices section. Now here tap on manage all devices. Now here you will need to select the device from which you want to remove your Gmail account. So I'll simply select this one. Now finally you will need to tap on this sign out option and your account will be removed from that particular device. So I'll just tap on this sign out option here and then confirm sign out. So as you can see, the account is now removed from that particular device. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.